has cerebellar hypoplasia. Which was found at a T in our project along with 3 of his siblings. His siblings were much more affected by CH than he was. He's a lot milder and does better at fending for himself. These kittens were in bad shape. This one, and we have this one as well. And then we have, I know, this one can't walk at all, and this one.
Oh, Star Lily, Ghost, Stardust, Baby.
Hi, babies. Oh, you're so cute. You little bobbleheads. Hello. You gonna walk a little bit? Can you walk a little bit? What you think, huh? Hi, sweet peas. So these 2 babies are able to get into the litter box.
Yes, but only one of them uses it.
Okay, and kind of, which one uses the litter box?
The biggest
The little white one uses the litter box. The other one can get in and out, but we're not seeing him consistently use it. And then this is the baby, that's the smallest. He has come a long way. Yes, you have. Yes, you have.
He's just like your normal cat, except for he has a few issues with his gross and fine motor skills. Dr. Bren explains it best here.
Stuff in different areas, but when it sends that signal, it's a huge, strong signal. And the back part of the brain, the cerebellum, mediates it a little bit and tamps it down. So when you don't get good development of that part of the brain, you have this giant signal. So they know everything, they can do everything. It's just that it's not being tampered, and that's why you see the over-exaggerated movements. It's like, I want to go this way, so the brain's like, go that way. But it's like there's nothing kind of doing the fine motor skill part.
Right, controlling that.
Yeah.
Navigate.
I think he got his legs rotated. Yeah.
He can scoot everywhere, but
Yeah.
Smeagol, that's what they call them.
Aww.
Like to not have as many dogs. Oh, look at him go. See, he goes great. Literally.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Transformation from when we first found them to now has been amazing. Someone even got adopted. Careful. Stitch is still waiting to be adopted. Sweetest boy in the bunch.